Breast pumping is a practical and effective way to express breast milk for your baby. It allows mothers to provide breast milk even when direct breastfeeding is not possible. Pumping can support working mothers, help maintain milk supply, and allow other caregivers to help with feeding. Before starting, it's important to understand that pumping works best when done regularly and comfortably. Finding a quiet, relaxed space can improve milk flow. Stress and tension may slow milk release, so take a few deep breaths before you begin. Breast pumping is not a replacement for bonding, but a supportive tool that gives flexibility while continuing to provide the benefits of breast milk.